即係無論你咩，
呢度插一句就係中國24節氣啦，咁就有12個係節氣日，12個係中氣啦。
12個中氣。
咁佢就唔係365日除以24或者12嘅，其實佢係用太陽角用成個。
In 1.5 miles, use the right lane to take exit 28 for Peachtree Dunwoody Road.
所以咧就係有啲時候
佢分角度嘅時候就360除到24嘅，
係
咁個
15度
角度就係15度，
係啦，
但係個日子咧就唔係均分除以24，咁所以佢就會精確到分別。係啊，因為
of the value of the lives of the people under its control.
There's a lot of people that will hear that will not like that. They'll say, you know, we need this state and we need this place to be safe and it needs to be for Jewish people.
Yes, but I really believe that there can be a flourishing, vibrant, Jewish, Hebrew-speaking society in Israel-Palestine without a state that gives Jews rights that Palestinians don't have. And you know what's the most dangerous place for Jews in the world today? It's Israel, because its political system imposes tremendous violence on Palestinians, and that makes everyone less safe.
That was Peter Beinart, a professor and the editor-at-large of Jewish Currents, on his new book, Being Jewish After the Destruction of Gaza, A Reckoning. This is NPR News.
The WABE newsroom is working to keep you informed and connected to what's happening across our region. I'm Jim Burris. You hear me weekday afternoons during All Things Considered. I also host The Brief, our daily 10-minute recap of the local news stories that you need to know about. Catch The Brief weekday evenings at 6:20 on WABE 90.1. You can also listen anytime on WABE.org or wherever you listen to podcasts.
Still to come this morning, President Trump is expected to sign the Lincoln-Riley Act into law today. It would be his first bill signing since taking office. WJC's Politically Georgia is going to talk about it. That's coming up today at 10, right after Morning Edition, and right here on WABE 90.1 Atlanta. The time now is 9:30, and the news is next.
Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Dave Mattingly. President Trump's pick to lead the Department of Health and Human Services appears before a Senate committee this morning. Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is expected to face questions about vaccines and abortion rights amid widespread opposition to his nomination from the medical community. The president's nomination of Pam